In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cookie banner to your site on Squarespace. Setting up a cookie banner is an important step in ensuring your website complies with various privacy regulations and offers your visitors control over their data preferences. So, let's dive right in and get it set up. To begin, you'll need to access the cookie banner settings from your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. From there, click on Website and then head over to Cookies and Data Privacy. This section is where you can manage how your site communicates with visitors about data collection. Once you're there, the next step is to enable the cookie banner. You'll find a toggle option labeled Cookie Banner. Simply switch it to On. This action will activate the banner on your site, providing visitors with a clear message about your use of cookies. Now let's personalize the content of your banner. In the disclaimer text field, you'll want to craft a message that explains the purpose of the cookies you use and any pertinent privacy details. Be concise but informative. Your message should reassure your visitors about their privacy and your transparency. After you have your message set, you'll need to decide on the buttons you want to provide on the banner. Common options include Accept All, Decline All, and Manage Cookies. These buttons allow users to make informed decisions about their data preferences. It's crucial to offer these options to comply with regulations and foster trust with your audience. The next step is configuring the behavior of your cookie banner. You have the flexibility to choose where the banner will appear on your site, such as at the top or bottom of the page. Think about where it would be the least intrusive but still visible enough for users to notice. After that, pick a color theme, light or dark, that complements your website's design. A harmonious look keeps the banner from feeling like an eyesore to users. Additionally, consider adjusting the disclaimer text size to ensure it's readable without overwhelming other page content. For those of you particularly concerned with privacy compliance, you might want to restrict non-essential cookies. By enabling the Restrict Non-Essential Cookies option, you can prevent these cookies from being set before a user has given explicit consent. It adds a layer of protection and respects user preferences right from the start. Lastly, don't forget to save your new settings. Click the Save button to apply your changes and ensure the cookie banner is live and functioning properly on your site. Taking this step is crucial as it solidifies all the customizations and ensures the cookie banner will appear just as you've configured it. And there you have it. Your cookie banner is now set up on Squarespace. This small yet significant feature helps you stay compliant and considerate of your visitors' privacy. Thank you for watching and happy website building.